Wagwan people. Yes, my name is SGP Kanakuti Sekuru Gudo Pikicha. Yes, I don't want to talk too much today, but I just want to remind you, can also not to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. What's notification bell, so every time part night time reaction, notify automatically. Yes, there's no need because and this gets anyway. Without wasting much time, let's dive into today's topic. So today I'm going to be reacting to Jahad featuring Cute Slim song Yawakaita Pama Piano. I am the one who recorded that song, so I am going to play the song. Then I will let you know some of the things that I encountered pandakanga ndichitase ndichiva recorded track ravo. I am not going to be biased and to say a favor. I'm going to hit straight to the point. So I am going to play the song right now. So be ready and listen carefully.
Jadi neniwo andizvite mutsvene pamberi penyu Jehovha. Ndiri munhu anokutadzira imi sine nguva. Maziso angu anotarisa zvisakafanira kuti zvinge zvitariswa nemunhu.
So I just want to stop there. That was the intro. Jahadi. Then my piano beat Mbaratanga Kurova. I don't know, but sometimes it's like my artist, the way I took it, kuti no jump kumsambo, tenda kumsambo, then is zitaredu manje ndoro kuzotitengesa kuti there is something wrong there, because my piano nekuti ja and the one chipinda because ana ja vana want to shanda kuma rasta, so it automatically means that is zitare murasta riba pabrukita my piano, so it doesn't sit well. People will not be expecting that unless if he did it purposely. Okay, let us go on to listen out song. What else do we have to pick out? But to me, in andakuzifarira on that part.
Anotenda kwamuri muromo wangu unotaura mashoko anovava ishe ndinokutadzira imi sine nguva ndiri mutadzi mukuru wekuti kana pachiverengwa vata.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. It simply means that beat is not a proper beat. That was a downloaded beat. So most of these beats are over compressed and murizwara anozado vanhu vachada kurishandisa mahara saka anoriuraya quality. Maartists mazhinji they don't know kuti beat rakauraya quality. They just like the beat, vofarira ka melody and stuff, then they go on and sing on the beat. Beats why anonetsa also they are difficult kuma mix and kuma master takuchita final track rako. Also track rako haukwanisa kuri monetize on YouTube. Because of that you are going to be facing problems. Also people will not respect my works ako and unago in a lot of competition. Sometimes maybe beat rakatoshandiswa somebody who did a better song than yours, so panenge paine competition because unenge uchikombewa nemuridzi webeat. So let's move on. I told you that I'm not going to be biased, I'm not going to favor anybody. Ndakarecorda this song.
Ndinowanika ndiri palisti kwekutanga kunumber 1 handizvite mutsvene pamberi penyishe asi ndinokumbira baba tsitsi dzinobva kumusoro kudenga, ndinokumbira ngoni dzenyishe, ndinoziva muri Mwari mune mwoyo murefu, ndinokumbira baba kuregererwa isingazvite mutsvene pamberi penyu. Ndapfugama pamberi penyu panguva ino ishe ndichikumbira kutungamirirwa panzira dzandichafamba.
That purchase your tracks today muri kuramba muchimunzwa kawo. It's not good. That is not good. Purchase your tracks today, guys. Please. Okay, I'm not going to stop now. Let me just continue.
Mwari wedenga nditungamire, Mwari wedenga nditungamire, Mwari wedenga nditungamire, Mwari wedenga nditungamire.
Purchase your tracks today.
So ndinosimboita chitsotsi ndichibvisa kuti purchase your tracks today, but on this beat it was difficult boss, but what kwakaiswa pacho panga pasingaiti kuita patch.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Hupenyu Irwendo rune makata. anobata anorema baba.
Purchase your tracks today.
Muneti amurasisi baba. Muneti amurasisi baba. Muzitara baba shesenere mwana komana.
Purchase your tracks today.
So the other thing is, if you listen very carefully, you can see kuti pama backing vocals awo akazobhekerwa na Cute Slim, who is also a fast rising upcoming artist. Shout out to Cute Slim. In I'm going to talk as a producer, because I told you kuti kana ita ma reactions and then chance experience. I'm not just talking shit on top of my songs or talking nonsense. Then taura from experience. So these guys, when they came to the studio, it seems they did not rehearse together. So Cute Slim was overlapping on some of the vocals. My vocals I came being like I put a little bit. So problem vanenge vasina kurihesa, then they just plan and say let's go to the studio, or they just meet at the studio, which is very dangerous, especially kana uri kuita song. Because what happens, guys, I don't want to tell you the truth, the song inogara forever and ever. Saka munhu mukaita muchimhanya is not gonna be good, because that mistake yaunenge waita is going to last forever as well.
Sitara baba shesenere mwana komana. Mwari wedenga nditungamire, Mwari wedenga nditungamire, Mwari wedenga nditungamire, Mwari wedenga nditungamire.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hupenyu matsoro amawe unosimbiswa nevasingakude. Hupenyu matsoro amawe
Okay, that's Cute Slim there. Arikuimba.
unosimbiswa nevasingakude. Chakati pashungu kudadirwa kava.
Yeah, I really like the lyrics. They were solid and very meaningful.
Chakati pashungu kudadirwa kava.
Yeah.
Asinasi takunda.
Purchase your tracks today.
Zvapera na purchase your tracks today. I think mazvinzwa, guys, what I told you zvandanzwa on this track. Anyway, I am going to be doing this to many other different tracks. I also want to tell you kuti I have an idea ndinayo. I'm thinking kuti if you're an artist and you really like what I'm doing, I'm creating something big. Please inbox me if you want to hear more of this, especially kuma artists zvinokubatsira pa marketing wise. So if you want to be part of the SGP TV family, let me know. I will be doing these things like what I'm doing right now for free, zvinobatsira paku expose my works ako, and a lot of other things that I will be doing for my clients. Please let me know. Hit my inbox on WhatsApp 0626285931. 0626285931 if you are in South Africa. Mostly I'm working with artists who are in South Africa on this one because I'm trying to promote them. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, my Instagram as well as Sekuru Gudo Pikicha or Sekuru Gudo Pikicha TV. I am on TikTok, Twitter, and a whole lot of other programs and platforms. Anyway, I don't want to talk too much. I think time is up.